All right, in this video we're going to create code in our hero tick method so that when our hero begins to walk off the screen, he's reset to the opposite side of the screen. We're going to do this to give the impression that he's going from one screen to another. But in this video, we're not going to redraw the new screen. He's just going to seem to appear magically on the other side of the screen if we do this. Now, I've done two parts of this. I've done two directions so far, and I've done the left and the right. And I'm going to leave it to you to control the north and the south. If he walks up north, almost off the screen, he needs to be reset to the south. If he walks to the south, he needs to be reset to the north. What I've done is I've emailed you what your tick method should look like in the hero class, so it's probably a good idea just to copy all that code and then paste it over whatever your current tick method is. And so now let me go to this section right here, and this is what I want to explain. And so, okay, this part right here, this controls when the hero walks off the screen to the left, and it resets him to the right. Now, you got to think rectangles. That's the key to this. You got to think rectangles. Treat our hero like it's a rectangle, okay? Which, really, that's all he is. He's a rectangle. His upper left-hand corner is where his X and Y value is, okay? So, if his X value in the upper left-hand corner is less than the negative of half his width, what that does is that allows my hero to look like he walks off the screen just a little bit, just halfway, okay? Now, if that's the case, what I do is I reset his X value to the width of the screen minus his width. Now, if I didn't do this minus this .w, what it would do is it actually would put him completely off the screen on the right-hand side. But by saying x equals adventure.width minus this .w, what that does is that allows me to put him on the right-hand side of the screen so that he appears on the right-hand side of the screen and it doesn't push him off the screen. Now, what if his x value is greater than the screen width minus half of his width? Now remember, the x value is the upper left-hand corner of the rectangle for the hero, okay? So the hero has width, so what I'm allowing him to do is to walk off the screen about halfway. Well, if I do that, I'm going to set his x value to 0, which puts him on the left. So let me go ahead and compile this. Now let me go to the adventure file, run it. He should appear in a field of flowers. A field of flowers. So here he is. All right. So I'm going to try and walk off to the left. Here we go. And there he is on the right. Now I'm going to try and walk off to the right. And there he is on the left. So it looks like he just magically loops. And what we're going to do is when we walk off a screen, we're going to pop the hero on the other side of the screen, and then we're going to draw the whole new screen, which screen he should be walking to. And that's going to give him the impression of walking around the world. All right? But right now, notice there is nothing happening with the up or the down. That's actually up to you to do. Okay? So God bless wherever you are today.